Hello, this is Steve K here today. Welcome to Steve K's appreciation video from Steve K here today, from me to you guys. I'm going to show you my appreciation for all my subscribers, including my new subscribers, including all my brand new subscribers coming my way. I am so happy that you guys are here. I'm going to do you a firework display from me to you guys. This is my appreciation, saying thank you for subscribing to me, and I will always be there to fulfill your requests. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to idea mode. So here we go. We're going to go into idea mode just for the heck of it because, you know, why not? We're going to hit start. Okay. You don't see anything, right? Well, guess what? Here you go. No, we're not going to only do that. Or that. Or that. I'm just going to show you what all of them look like. That's pretty cool. This is from me to you guys because you guys matter. Now, what you guys really meant to me is from me to you guys. This is my appreciation video from Steve K here today to each and every last one of you, because I do thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will always be there for you no matter what. Just let me know in the comments below what video you want me to do. As long as it's in my Play Store for Samsung Galaxy, I will make your request good. And yes, a little later on, I'll be doing the Ice Cream Granny, and I'm going to do an Evo Vibe video like I promised. So, not only that, I'm also in the hunt for a brand new intro. So, enjoy the fireworks while I set them off for you. Here you go. It's from me to you guys. This is my appreciation for having you guys subscribe to my channel. Just want to show you a little love, so here you go. And thank you for being awesome, like always. Oh, please do me the favor while you're watching my fireworks. Spread the word. I need more subscribers. Once I get 1,000 subscribers, I could do a lot more. And once I get on a computer, I'll be playing more crazier games and maybe even mods and all that good stuff. So there you go. I'm not done yet. Well, this is my appreciation video from me to you guys, because you guys all matter. Each and every one last one of you, you all matter to me. So, if it's your birthday today, guess what? Here's all the fireworks for your birthday, because you are special, which is always a good thing. Now I only got 20 more seconds of this video, so sooner or later, come on, gotta get some good ones here. There we go. Gotta let it all out. Okay, one last one. There you guys go. From me to you guys. Thank you for watching. That's from my thanks from me to you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Here's a bonus for you. Or this. Alright, goodbye. Take care. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Alright, bye.